All right, for this lesson, you are reading a folk tale called The Fire and the Wave. While you read, I want you to make at least 3 connections to the story. I'll remind you about the different kinds you can make. Think specifically about connections you can make to the sea, the ocean. If you can't make any connections to that, any connections are fine. Notice it is 2 pages. Why do you think Hamaguchi acted the way he did? And what is one theme you can infer from the story? Why do you think that? So tell me what you think a theme is and why. Make sure you do both parts of that. So folk tales, just as a reminder, are based on the traditions and beliefs of people. They happened a long time ago. They were originally told orally, so told out loud, so sort of passed down in all cultures, from grandparents to parents to kids to their kids, so passed down, not necessarily true stories, but just stories often that would teach a lesson of some kind. Sometimes they would have animal characters, but just these lessons that people would learn and then pass down through stories. Reminder, making connections. You can make connections to yourself, so to your life. Maybe if you feel like a character, something that's happened in your life, the way if someone's caring or brave or helpful. Can you think of someone that you know like that? Text to the world, so just anything in the outside world, something it makes you think about. Text to text, so other stories, other books it makes you think of, other characters who acted like that. It could be a movie, it could be a TV show, really any sort of thing that it reminds you of. You're just activating your thinking, which will help you understand the story better. And then the theme, remember, is the big idea, the author's attitude toward it, a moral or a lesson. Remember, I like to think of it, if you write the word theme, it's the message. The message is the theme. It's like money can't buy happiness. Power corrupts those who have it. Don't judge a book by a cover. Things like that. So you're telling me what you think the theme of the story is, why you think that, making connections, and then just why you think Hamaguchi did what he did. Enjoy it. It's an interesting story. So go ahead, read it, and ask me if you have any questions or need help. Good luck.